Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and confirming you have control of account settings. Once done, you go straight to the gear icon. You need to verify whether the account is under a parent account or has age restrictions, because Roblox gates voice features by age and permissions. Next, open Settings and select Privacy or Account Settings. This is where the voice controls live. Don't waste time searching elsewhere. Open the Voice or Privacy panel so you can flip the core controls in the next step. Once you're in the Privacy panel, find the voice chat toggle and switch it off. That directly removes in-game voice communication. Then make sure to revoke microphone permission at the device or browser level so apps cannot re-enable capture. On mobile, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Roblox, right arrow Permissions, and on PC use Browser Site Permissions or System Privacy Settings. If the account is for a child, enable Account Restrictions or Parental Controls to prevent complete the process by logging out and back in, because some settings only update after a session refresh. Then join a game where voice would normally be active and confirm there is no microphone option. If you still see voice indicators, clear the app cache or browser data and recheck device permissions. Sometimes stale permissions persist. If problems remain, submit a support request with screenshots, but usually toggling voice chat, revoking mic access, and using restrictions resolves it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.